Alright, so Cameron decided he was going to hide from me. And I don't know really what he's up to, but we're about ready to find out. Oh, there he is. What are you doing? What do you got in your hand? I can't walk that fast. Does that taste good? Is that no-no? He's like, Say, I got. Say bye-bye. Say hi. Are we on an adventure? You just gonna let me walk around with you? Oh, I got the hiccups. Where are we going? Alright, say bye-bye. Hey, stop, hey. Hey. Cameron, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay, there you go.